Nature stinks. Stinky nature. If you've ever smelled a skunk, you know it is not a nice odor. In fact, it's terrible. Do you know that both plants and animals can be smell bad? Stinky plants usually smell bad to attract insects that help them reproduce. Animals give off odors to attract mates and keep other animals away. Whether plant or animals, nature's smelliest living things use odors to help them survive. Stinky furry animals. Skunks are probably the most famous smelly animals. They use their odor to keep enemies away. When an enemy gets near, a skunk growls and stomps its feet. If that doesn't scare the enemy away, look out. The skunk lifts its tail and sprays a terrible smelling liquid. The liquid shoots out from the area near the base of its tail. Striped polecats may smell even worse than their skunk cousins. A striped polecat's spray can cause brain pain. Skunks and striped polecats aren't the only skink furry animals. The lesser anteater is 4 times stinkier than a skunk. It too shoots a smelly liquid from the area near the base of its tail. Then there's a of them, and of them will pretend to be dead, called playing possum. If an enemy is near, it stays still and releases stinky green slime. A smelly liquid marks the spots where a wolverine has been a wolverine or nasty cat. Also pees on saved food before hiding it. The smell helps the wolverine find the food later and keeps other animals from eating it. The release of scent can be a warning as well. Male musk oxen fight each other to mate with females. Males use their stinky urine to tell other males to keep away. The urine sticks to their long belly hair and makes them smell terrible. Stinky birds. The watson is the real name for the stink bird. This bird mainly eats leaves. The food breaks down in the bird crops the area under its throat before reaching its stomach. This way of eating makes the watson smell awful. Vultures are used to bad odors. After all, their diet consists of the stinky flesh of dead animals. When an enemy is near, vultures throw up. The stuff they vomit is extra nasty. It contains rodent meat and stomach acid strong enough to cause burns. Stinky bugs. Some bugs also use odor to stay safe. The bombardier beetle can't fly to escape its enemies, so it has a strong weapon. It can release a hot cloud of stinky, deadly spray. It's not enough to kill many enemies and burn humans. what millipedes, black in speed. They make up for instinct. Millipedes can't move fast, so they need a different way to stay safe. If an enemy comes near, they curl up and give off a stinky liquid. Some millipedes even shoot the smelly stuff. Other stinky animals, the common musk turtle, has another name, stink pot. It smells bad when other animals disturb it. A stinky yellow liquid comes out of the back of its body. The mink frog uses sand to keep enemies away as well. Its stink has been compared to raw onions. It gives off this nasty smell to stay safe from other animals. Good and stinky. Being stinky helps many plants and animals stay alive. For plants, the odor brings insects that help them reproduce. For animals, the odor often helps keep enemies away. They can also help an animal eat food or get mates. Stinky steam, spray vomit, slime, and urine are some of nature's many ways of helping living things survive.